Okay, guys, I'm going to sing some of my song. Cold indeed on jelly beans. Jelly beans, what do you see? They are lovely inside. Watermelon tastes so real, 'cause they just serve a delight. Blueberry when it touches your mouth. Island punch when you feel its crowd. Chocolate pudding and makes you so happy inside. Peach, coconut, chewy, fruity, toasted marshmallow. Berry, cherry, lemon, lime, candy floss, and plain apple. Licorice, it kills you right. Bubble gum is such a delight. Jelly beans, they make you want to cry, to cry, to cry, to cry. Cry, to cry, to cry, to cry. Jelly beans are the best inside. Oh, yes, jelly beans are the best inside.